Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create amazing portraits with the help of an AI tool that is available free of cost on the internet. So let's get into it. First of all, you will search for Photo AI, okay, and you will get this website, photo.com. You can see this website like free AI image generator. Through this website I will show you how you can create portrait images in just a few clicks. Okay, so let's click on this generate. So this is the main layout of this website for AI. We might need to sign up on this website as well. So I have already logged in with my Google account, so I will just click on this continue. Okay, now it will just verify and it will log me in. So let's skip this for now. Okay, and here we will write text to image. Now here we can write prompt like create a portrait of a person wearing black jacket with cowboy brown hat, and he's wearing black formal shoe. Okay, so this is the prompt that I have given it to. You can give your own prompts. Now we'll just click on this photo, or you can also use it prompt enhancer tool. So I will just select this and click on prompt enhancer, and it will give us the optimizing prompts. Okay, then you can use these prompts for better results. Okay, so for now I'm going to proceed with this prompt, this one that it has generated for me. So I'll just copy it and replace it here, and now I will press this button and it will consume 2 credits. I have total 6 credits. Okay, and these are given by free of cost. Now out of which 2 credits has been used for creating this image for this I mean prompt. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds and then we'll see the magic. So it has created photos for us. As you can see that the result is amazing. The man is wearing a jacket with a brown cowboy hat, but the thing is that it's not a full image. Like we are also added like brown shoes, but it's not displayed, but still it looks good. Let's look for the other. This one also looks amazing. If you want to upscale image, you can upscale it. You can also expand, background remove, AI replace, and much more. Let's try if we can remove the background. Let's see. So as you can see that it has successfully removed the background as well. So that was all about Photo AI, like how you can use it to create portrait images in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.